Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge in Payson, Utah. Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge in Payson, Utah. We offer expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services, focusing on enhancing functionality, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. Whether you're dreaming of a kitchen makeover or a full renovation, we bring your vision to life with top-quality materials and skilled craftsmanship. Our services range from custom kitchen design and build, cabinetry installation, and flooring, to adding modern touches like granite countertops and energy-efficient appliances. We ensure your project is completed on time and within budget, increasing your property value. At EagleRidge, we focus on the latest trends like natural materials, open shelving, and smart home integration, seamlessly blending style with practicality. Ready to transform your kitchen? Contact EagleRidge in Payson today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate, and let us make your dream kitchen a reality.